Hi little sister, we are making a show on funny jokes and sounds.
Oh cool, can I tell a joke first?
Sure.
Okay, why did the car crash into the tree?
What?
It was a car rush.
Oh, I get it.
Okay, can I tell another? Then you can say one. Okay?
Okay.
Why did some people walk with sunglasses?
What?
Then wanted to get sunbeam protected.
Cool. Okay, my turn. Why did a chicken hit a thorn bush?
I don't know.
It was Bush's chicken.
Okay, now brother, can you figure out this sound?
Yes. I think it's a church bell.
Yes, you are correct.
I got one for you, sister.
Okay, let me hear it. Oh, I love how it sounds. Is it a harp or something?
Yes, you are correct, but it was harp one.
Yes.
Good job, sister. Okay, what do you think this sound is?
Oh, I just love the ending of that. Is it? Bells?
You are on its strings. This is what bells sounds like.
Oh, I didn't know. Good one, brother.
Well, sister, thoughts all for the folks.
Okay, brother.
Bye.
Bye.